the truth now. Nothing but the proof of who I am. The worst of what I came from, having no shame of. It doesn't matter.